Look at the snow. It's so beautiful. Look at those trees.
It's okay.
Yes, I know. The tree's so beautiful and brown. This looks so beautiful. Where is it coming from? I just can't look at anybody. It's too sad.
The guy's so sensitive. Why don't I get stuck with him?
Baby, don't leave me.
Hey, how's it going?
It's good. Oh, you look good today.
Yeah, I know.
Out.
Yeah, I know. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hey, you like my shirt? I like mine. I don't like yours at all.
Okay. I'll tell you something. You're too prideful. I'm gonna break up with you.
Sure, whatever. Hey, girl, what's up?
Yeah, got the middle. Yeah. Yeah, I got the side. What? No, I wasn't ready. Redo that. Redo. Yeah. What? Again? That's fake. Redo that. It doesn't count. Here, I might as well put a 0 there since you're not gonna win. Yeah, what now? Tic-tac-toe 3 in a row. Yeah. Yeah, another point for me. Yeah. What? What are you doing today?
I'm good.
That's good.
I'm gonna kill that guy. I'm gonna kill him. Did it hit you or touch you or do anything to you?
We're not even dating. Why are you so attached?
Pray.
It's for you.
Just go talk to her. Dude, man, you're just a loser, man. You gotta get to do chicks like me.
Yeah, right.
Hey, baby girl, what's up? Oh, let me get that for you.
Oh, thanks. You're so sweet.
I know.
I've been doing good. How are you?
I'm doing alright.
Alright. How's school?
Sucks.
Sucks?
I hate school.
Aw.
What are you doing later? Let's go hang out.
I'm doing nothing.
Okay.
We can hang out
That's
later.
good. How about a movie?
Okay,
Yeah?
good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
I gotta go do some stuff, so I'll be right back.
Alright, I'll call you later.
Okay, see ya. Hi, sir.
Oh, hey, how are you doing?
You look good today.
Well, thanks, I guess.
So, do you want to hang out later?
Well, I technically can't because I already have a woman in mind.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So I'm
It's
sorry.
okay. You're a faithful man. I understand that.
Yo, you hear who's back in church, dog? It's your girl. Your girl used to like
man,
man.
man. I'll go talk to
Dude,
her.
if she
She's
comes
been-
up, you better talk to her.
She's been looking at me, yo.
I know, I see it all the
I
time.
know. Even my friends know. They say it to me all the time on Facebook.
Shoot, you should
I'm gonna go talk to her.
talk to her. Talk to her.
Alright, man up.
Alright.
That boy 20, yo.
I know, right? You should like, you got it, yo.
He got this,
Hey,
man.
guys.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, man.
Oh, no.
What's up? What's up? What happened?
Yo, she's downstairs, dog.
Man up, bro.
I got this. I got this. I got this.
Just go! Just go!
Hey, Gonzo.
Hey, Tony.
So how's the water?
It's good.
Well, remember 10 years ago?
What about 10 years ago?
Well, I just want to ask you, would you like to go on a date with me?
Yeah, I would like to go out with you.
Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number.
Yeah, I've been waiting 10 years for
Go
this.
grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you.
Hi.
Hi. So why are you here?
Oh, I just wanted to surprise you. Here, I got this. It's with the Saturday. Yeah, man. Did you hear about Tony? Tony has a date, man.
I know, right? I'm so
Dude,
excited for
I'm
that
so
guy,
happy
dude.
for him,
Shoot.
dude.
What do y'all think?
Whoa, what the frick?
Dude, what are you wearing, man?
Dude, this is not you, man. You should just be yourself. Be yourself, dude. Be yourself. Be yourself. This is just hiding your face, your beautiful eyes. Alright, dude, you got this, man. Be yourself, man. Be yourself.
I'm so happy for my boy, man.
No, no, no. I know, right?
Hey, Gonzo, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. So, are you excited for this?
Yes, I am.
Hi. What would you guys like to eat?
I would take steak, ribs, and she'll have a salad. Yo!
Oh, shut up!
What happened, yo? Oh! What happened? What happened, man?
I don't know.
What happened? What happened? What happened? No, I had a dream my eyes out was gonna go, yo. Is that true?
I think it is. Hey, baby. You still up for tonight?
Dang it!
Where are you going? You asked me out! What? Hey, baby.
Media.